Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Salesforce. Tags are a fantastic way to organize and categorize your records, making it easier to filter and find important accounts, contacts, or opportunities at a glance. Let's get started. First, before you can start tagging records, tags need to be enabled in your Salesforce org, and this requires admin access. So if you're an admin, head to the top right corner of your screen and click on Setup. This opens the administrative control panel where you can configure various Salesforce features. Once you're in Setup, look for the quick find box on the left side of the screen. Type in Tag Settings. This search function helps you navigate quickly through Salesforce's extensive settings options. When Tag Settings appears in the results, click on it to open the tag configuration page. On the Tag Settings page, you'll see options to enable or modify tag functionality across your org. Simply click Save to enable tags. This step activates the tagging feature for all users in your Salesforce instance, allowing everyone to start organizing records with custom labels. Now that tags are enabled, let's move on to actually adding tags to a record. Navigate to any record you want to tag. For example, go to Accounts and select a specific account from your list. This could be any record type, whether it's an account, contact, opportunity, or case. Once you're viewing the record detail page, look for the Tags section near the top of the page. This section displays all existing tags associated with the record. Click on Add Tags within this section to start creating your first tag. A text field will appear where you can type your tag name. For instance, you might enter something like Priority for high-value accounts or Q1-deals for opportunities relevant to the first quarter. Tags should be short and descriptive so they're easy to recognize and filter by later. After typing your tag, click Save to apply it to the record. The tag will now appear in the Tags section, and this record is now categorized under that label. You can add multiple tags to a single record, which is useful for cross-referencing and advanced filtering. Now, if you ever need to manage your tags by editing or deleting them, open any record that has been tagged. Navigate to the Tags section again and click Add Tag. You'll see all existing tags listed above the text field. To remove a tag, simply click the X next to the tag you want to delete. Once you've clicked the X, don't forget to click Save to confirm the removal. The tag will be removed from that record, but it won't delete the tag itself from your system, so you can still use it on other records if needed. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable tags in Salesforce, add them to records, and manage them by removing unwanted ones. Tags are a simple yet powerful tool for keeping your Salesforce data organized and easily searchable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.